Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we are back from our sailing on board Liberty of the Seas, and it is time to get back into the cruise news and get caught up with some of the news stories that have happened recently. And we're going to start off with Holland America. Now, Holland America's 9th cruise ship has returned back into service as of May 9th in Italy. So we welcome back Holland America's Oosterdam back into service, welcoming guests aboard, and out there sailing. Again, another option for cruisers to pick. And Holland America has 2 remaining ships to come back into service here over the next month, and that will bring them up to full operations. Princess Cruise Line's Crown Princess has also returned into service from Seattle doing Alaska sailings. She began sailing on May the 7th, and I'm sure you guys remember from a previous video that some of her itinerary has been changed and reduced due to engine problems that the Crown Princess is currently experiencing, and hopefully they get those fixed and sorted out here very quickly. Royal Caribbean is predicting a return to the Chinese market, to the Asian market here in 2023 or 2024. You know, with the COVID volatility, the restrictions, and everything going on in China, the Asian market has essentially been shut down and remains shut down. And Royal Caribbean's estimating that, 2023, 2024 is the earliest that things in that area are going to calm down and we can resume sailing in the Asian market. And finally, Celebrity Cruise Lines. Now, Celebrity Cruise Lines has made an itinerary change for the May 15th sailing and completely canceled the May 22nd sailing for the Celebrity Eclipse, sailing out of Vancouver doing an Alaska sailings. Now, this itinerary change and this cancellation is due to marine growth on the hull. Passengers that were affected by these changes have received an email. I'm going to put up a couple of pieces of that email here for you now. Due to recent marine growth that has developed on the ship's hull, a natural process that you might know as barnacle growth, and our commitment to following local environmental procedures, we are putting Celebrity Eclipse into a dry dock for 7 days in order to safely and responsibly clean the hull. The ship is experiencing lower speeds than typical, and we have to adjust for this in our ports of call timings. This will result in shorter time spent in all ports of call. Alright, so the growth on the hull apparently is so much, so thick, and you can have barnacles from all over different locations, wherever the cruise ship has been sailing. A lot of times you don't want these introduced into certain environments, such as the Alaskan waters. So not only is there speed concerns, there are also environmental concerns. And all of this is resulting in shorter times in the cruise ports. I'm going to go ahead and put up the schedule changes right here for you. So on Tuesday, May the 17th in Sitka, the new port time is 2:15 to 6 p.m. and it was originally 11 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. So a big reduction there. Wednesday, May the 18th at the Hubbard Glacier, the new port time there is 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. and originally that was 9:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. So Thursday, May the 19th for Juneau, the new port time is 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. It originally was 7:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then Friday, May the 20th for Ketchikan, the new port time is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and it was originally 2 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. So definitely some reduction in the amount of port time there. You can see it right there in the schedule. Now with this, it also affects shore excursions. So there have been changes made to the shore excursions, and some have just been canceled altogether due to the new time restrictions. So all passengers that have been affected by these changes should have already received an email letting them know of the changes, letting them know of their options to cancel, refund, what compensation is being offered for these changes. And it does bring up an interesting question because the Celebrity Eclipse just came back into service last month in April, and here we are right here at the beginning of May. to have this much marine growth, to have this many barnacles on the hull, that it's affecting the speed, and the ship was out of service for almost 2 years before returning into service, you kind of think that this is something they should probably have checked before they resume service, specifically an Alaskan season when they know that there are going to be environmental concerns. But hey, what do I know? I don't run a cruise line. Just seems like it might have been a little bit of common sense. Alright, and that's going to be your cruise news for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.